Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a simple 7-month-old baby routine, including feeding and nap times, to help parents create a comfortable daily schedule. At 7 months old, many babies begin following a more predictable routine. While every baby is different, having a flexible schedule can help make the day smoother for both parents and baby. A typical day may start in the morning with a feeding session after the baby wakes up. After feeding, many babies enjoy some playtime, interaction, and exploration. A few hours later, the first nap of the day usually happens. This morning nap helps the baby recharge and stay comfortable throughout the day. After waking up, another feeding session is often part of the routine. Some babies may also be exploring age-appropriate solid foods alongside their regular milk feedings, depending on guidance from their healthcare provider. In the afternoon, many babies take a second nap. This nap is often important because it helps prevent overtiredness later in the day. After the afternoon nap, babies usually enjoy more playtime, family interaction, and another feeding session. As evening approaches, keeping activities calm and relaxing can help prepare the baby for nighttime sleep. Many parents create a simple bedtime routine that may include feeding, quiet play, or a calming activity. Consistency is helpful, but flexibility is equally important. Some days may look different, and that is completely normal. Paying attention to your baby's hunger cues, sleep signals, and comfort can help you adjust the routine to fit their needs. With patience and a simple daily schedule, many parents find that feeding and nap times become easier to manage as their baby grows. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.